Hey guys, Nicole Vincent here. If you are an Amazon influencer or Amazon associate, it is vital that if you are sharing links on social media that you add them to your account settings on your Amazon account. So I'm going to show you how to do that today so you don't make the mistake, because you can actually get your account shut down if you are not disclosing these links in your Amazon account settings. It's a super easy thing to do, but it's not super obvious that you need to do it. So let me show you how to do it. If you are an Amazon associate, Amazon influencer, content creator, that's what I'm talking about here on this channel. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let's check out your Amazon back office. The first thing that you're going to want to go to is your Amazon Associates back office. Now, back office is just what I call it. You might call it your associates dashboard, your backend, whatever. But your URL is the affiliate-program.amazon.com/home. You're going to be logged into your influencer or associate account here. And this applies to anyone that is sharing any affiliate links from Amazon onto social media or other places off of Amazon. You need to do this. So go here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to these three lines on the top right. Then go down to account. And you want to do this on your off-site ID. So it's going to be the one that looks like your name, not the one that starts with ONAMZ or on Amazon. It's not that one. It's your off-site IDs. Go to account settings. Then once you're in account settings, you're going to see all these different spots. You're going to go down here to this edit your website and mobile app and Alexa skills list. This is what you're going to click on. Click on that. Once you do, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, this site, unless you are creating a mobile app or you are building an Alexa skill, which basically it's training Alexa for people to order through your thing. For most of us, this does not apply. So you're going to skip this one on the right. Don't worry about that one. It's this right here. Enter your websites. This is where you're going to want to enter your website URLs. Now, you don't need to enter individual post URLs. You need to be entering your public Instagram page, your public Facebook page, your public Facebook profile, your public Facebook group, your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Pinterest, wherever you might be sharing these links, you need to have a not so general like just facebook.com. You can't do that, but a general public profile or page or group that you are posting on. Now, you want to put that in here. You're going to click add. And once you click add, you enter your URL, you click add. Then you're going to hit the next button. It's going to ask you if there are any traffic of the sources listed above that are directed at children under 13. You cannot display anything that's directed at children under 13. So you're going to click no. If that does apply to you, then click yes and then figure that out. But click no, click confirm. This pop-up here at the top that says website and mobile apps updated. And so this is somewhere where you're going to want to, maybe you start a new group on Facebook, or you start a new Facebook page, or you start a new reviews channel on YouTube. This is where you're going to want to go in and add those URLs. Again, it doesn't need to be the individual post. It just needs to be the space that you are posting them in. Every space that you share links on needs to be public. So it needs to be viewable by Amazon, whether it's a social media page, a blog, Amazon needs to be able to, like, anybody can look it up and see it. You cannot, do not post links within private spaces, private groups, private profiles, things like that, because that will get you in trouble. And always make sure when you are posting links that you are posting them with appropriate disclosures. So things like hashtag earns commission or hashtag ad or hashtag affiliate link. And you want to have your Amazon disclosure within the main description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualified commissions or something like that. I'll have it linked down in the description with the links that you need to review. But you want to make sure that you have all that set up so that your account doesn't get flagged. Now, another few things that I see a lot of people getting in trouble for is, number one, they're using the word Amazon in their group, in their page, or whatever. You can totally say Amazon in your description of your post, but your group title or your group page or your whatever cannot have Amazon, don't have Amazon in the title. It will get you in trouble. You will get it shut down. And just because you see other people doing it, that's not permission that it's okay, because there are bigger pages and bigger creators that have written permission from Amazon that is not in the general disclosures and general guidelines. And just because you see someone else doing it doesn't mean that it's right. Always review the Amazon guidelines followed in Creator University, and always review the FTC guidelines, because it's not just Amazon, it's FTC, and you want to make sure that you are following the rules so that you don't get yourself in trouble. It would suck for you to lose your account or get fined because you didn't know. So don't use Amazon in the title of your groups or your pages or anything like that, or in your handles. Don't use Amazon. Another thing that I see people getting in trouble for is posting images with an Amazon logo. So don't like do a screenshot and it has an Amazon Prime logo in there, or don't put an Amazon logo in the images or in your banners or any Amazon trademark things. Do not include those in your images, because that can get you flagged as well. So there's a few tips and tricks on posting appropriately off site. Now, again, please look in the description. I have very important links that you need to review these things on your own and do your own interpretation. And again, just because someone else is doing it doesn't mean it's okay for you to do it. So there you go. Like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video.